Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Razorpay payment on Wix. This is especially useful if you're running an online store or accepting payments in India, as Razorpay is one of the most popular payment gateways in the region. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Settings. This is where you can control all the core configurations for your website, including payment options. From the Settings page, you'll be able to preview your Wix account settings and see different sections related to your site. What you're looking for is the Finance and Payment section. Within this section, locate and click on Accept Payments. This is where you manage all the payment methods that customers can use when purchasing from your site. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. You might not see the exact payment channel you're looking to add right away, and there's a good reason for that. Some payment channels, including Razorpay, are region or country restricted. Since we're looking to add Razorpay, click on the Business Location drop-down menu and select India. Razorpay only works within this region, so changing your business location to India is essential for the payment gateway to appear. Once you've changed the business location, the page will refresh and you'll automatically see Razorpay added to the default list of available payment channels. This happens because Wix recognizes your location and displays the relevant payment options for that region. Now, to add this payment channel, simply click on Connect next to Razorpay. A form will appear where you'll need to fill in your account information. This includes your key ID, key secret, and your site URL. You can find your key ID and key secret by logging into your Razorpay account and navigating to the API keys section under Account and Settings. Make sure you copy these details accurately, as any errors will prevent the connection from working. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Connect at the bottom part of the page. Wix will now process the connection, and within a few moments, Razorpay will be successfully integrated into your website. This means customers in India can now make payments using Razorpay's secure payment gateway, which supports credit cards, debit cards, net banking, UPI, and wallets. You've now enabled a reliable and widely used payment method for your Wix store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.